Edoya wabedana etu edo na buravan etu edo na buyema edo na buzo abod edo na wata etu wahya o wabavan wabowe wabota dawandawu no dadaga ye benaga kai budo datu wahya o wabedana abetema ya fe no re yangbe na ebonori evere wabokan o abetema ya fe de mawedare gbe wabokan o otewa Gabriel Liberty wabokan tewa Solomon Demudia birama wabokan tewa Koyuwa Isaac wabokan aibere bai oko otewa Gladys Uso Efata Efata ni Bible ni o koyo wabokan kuwe ke mo wa bokin o obi ra ma ke Kingsley bia soge abokin o obi la kun no memi ko yo Solomon edemudia obi ogisan no bi ekpen no wa obi zomo do zebu ko yo abokin o we runa wa mosi wase wa mo obi ye ira me na be tiame yiba de wa mosi ni wa ro ye ga ya rubu me mani ai ruewo kai na ye mo no na no dai me mo pon hin egbe ni do ya gwe dogun na zebe edion ogebo zebe iwa nokake no gwebo azio zebe igobazio ogedo ya nerun nda ma wa we nerun ni ozola so pa iyen ni ado na ogedo iyen so no kan ogedo manedo ya fefe edo ni ruwo tagbon ekedan so ekedan ra Ibuware adogo wa ya lare wa tota wa da ho men ma do ka na o na o oge miku oge ma mi o ise gbon ogo e mata oga la o da o we na gbon iwe ka kawe bo ke o tedun wado abokin o azebita we mo kofi opa yo oni fi gbere din o abokin o wa ni ere se sare ba ipon mo ba abokin ina wa abokin o Sandra to boy abokin Caroline is a man. Caroline no ma bokan. Oye ni Karen won yi bedu. Blissful Bella. Wa ma yo gyo. Even do je ma gbe ma ya we he. Ni menare o na wa da wen ide ibi edu degbe. Ni degwa degbe. Sugbon wa no we ri e oyegbe na. Wa ma wa be say me dey viedo gana ai ya give you bo be edu na bo mento je ma o ma wa ga nerun na ya sun o sado do no ya gbon ke yi mi we so ya de na ruri ni ma eke ni ma ri ga ye ma ya fe ma na do ma bu nkoto ma ri erun gwa wonya ruwe wonya de wese nuri ni ma o si mabo wese baba ma we do toge do yin no konkon ma na re na la wo nu ge do mi ma e bo ise la wo salobwa na do ri ho ni mata yi o ise ni mata na agi mata la kwa o hoge do ni ada ho ni ma eta lokwa agi ba gba ko kan eme do ni ma wa mu yunu ma mu ye ho wa ma e we no salo wo do da yi o ri ayi mangun o na we agwa ma we don't know we no salo da yi unu we ge o hangi ahe wo we ni anwe ni wuna ogwe ni agawe wa muna iwuna wani ore ya fe ore gbe ori dun ore bo ore enwo ta kun ya eke ni owo yi la ho bi asejo ise evini mama e giemu mu yi momo gba na mi awe ewi na ko ya fe aro ewi no ma is de Bamadana ou get laughing on your fair. Okay, now the time. Mammy, ya with me. Mana de way tontonre, mana de way tomu, mana de way the book were ya, you way you talk. Lagu every boon yak bar now pay. Oh! Lagu Saluba. Lagu Saluba. Do tongue do mo, the doing man is Kagua, Odion way, Kinigi, Gen Yafe, die heaven. No funeral, yoni man. No say, no ma. You know, the never be Jesus Christian with Salabua. Is ya tema ya dam yo idion ni da kedoge kejon we ga bo kedoge kejon we ni wa ro ta isi ya fefefe kedoge no ri ye ko ovia kejon kedoge re ye ke orion que Dieu qui ne guérit y combat que Dieu qui ne guérira autant ya se autant au moins ya se autant bien sacon ya se autant ya femme ya se autant wubu ya se autant okpe ya se autant isoko ya se autant zaki ya se autant raison et que le sagnan d'orier ou autant mon ya fait regarde da ho Ishagwa Ogbai Nedora man Nuselura man mayo Emina taena no na dura ma no ma we ma dogun akan akugbe ori manedo emoboti agega kwa lima ni ma do tore do o ga mi amen o yewe da hongwe e ma ni bu ni ama he da ta fun do ni ma ri do ta na ngo ya akugbo do apetie ya edoya edoman dogo kebotu ogedoya nang moya lare di mado si koko manedo di mado tu no pa di mado mo tu edo han da do tu yeah. Ni bado mo tu edo herun dabo o tu abo ni ka ya fo eyan mo oye gbangba ho I said tin agina I said tin gaya but Nigeria no go money if you abo we ya fe ọ̀pẹ́ ni amóyànbọ̀ òtún náà sì ká máa hotel ọ̀hún òtà ọ̀pẹ́ ni amóyànbọ̀ àrí hotel ẹ̀zẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ òyìn dùwà ẹ̀mí níta ẹ̀zẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ òyìn wà ẹ̀mí àti ẹ̀zẹ̀ òyìn àìgbóyin yọta àìtẹ̀ àti ẹ̀rọ rìbò ẹ̀zẹ̀ òyìn O to the dodo ọ̀pẹ ní amóyàgbọ̀. O to the dota ọ̀làwẹ̀ kìnnà ọdún àmẹ́ ọ̀pẹ ní amóyàgbọ̀. Ọ̀dàgà owó eva eha ene. Owó eva eha ote ha owó ote ohun ota eva ote ohun oye eha ote ọ̀làwẹ̀ ene. Gbàgbàgbà otu oyin ni amúgbọ̀ otu oyin. Ohanga nyogo ya ami ewini amaya o ami ewini amaya o begbigo begbe mowe umenwa nchebe yegebe orasen begbe okwo megbu yoko Egberi ebi na ya kong. Hoo! Aseti tai, aseti gye. Begbe wabure ibi yoko. Mwegbe ni ariye mwegbe. Aseti tai, aseti gye. Metana we no dai himena wewe yon video ge wanta no. Hundawo ege bunya re do adu ya tenegbe we Africa no go kate we Nigeria no go otan obwe upe won ene o otan obwe upe won ene ari doge ebe owo ha Nebotia history. Ari doge be awoka. Nebotia history. Mana do mi o to ewe mawanedo. Manuswe mana nu kodawo. With Africa ya fefe. Ni we the better do wa my home. Mari doge be ore history. Ebe ore history oko ne be wi. So. Oba e bien la dia. Ne bien la dia. Oba e bien la dia o. Oba e bien la dia o do. Ado amaye mi abi ala tian o anafi ari doge be history ebego ka be na gmona ya ye ebe ma ya fa ya demudia mana do mi we mama do imawa koda o ne bo nike ya ban mi be de adian ma do manedo makoda o de wan bu ma be that West Africa okaye that university obi do okaye manedo okagmebe na gmebe ari ukeke won bo ari ukeke won ba we do gmebe na gye won abeda na obi do oka gmebe be West Africa ogo wani manedo ka begedege na egedege na bo you work ugoto manedo ka begedege be man able that West Africa ogo wani do mi manedo oka game on yari mu apare manedo yo be Spain be adia se no bra radio wagaka Egwa agimana do oba ka mu gbo tele ege na mana e bi Jesu ure gbita ege na mana e bi Jesu egwa do ogiso oredo na wada home oko wani reba wada home wa ya reba dem dia just okay efata wada home de do wa ko da o baby ya Nanti do na Benin City be na ya mama be na ya polo be na ya boluwa bo be na ya mudun ya no be tibe ya be ni tana ya be de want no so pa aba mi no ki alume ana mi e so adomu Nigeria de adoku edo ba Nigeria okeke Andrea c'était mwedo ba Nigeria ai mwedo ba Nigeria ne yana do fian ko dao e ma so na do fian ko dao e ni wan wata he ni tana ge wa e ge ma ta do e bo di kai na do fian ko dao mi ya fian ko dao he na fian ko dao run da we yana do ala kugbe na yawe ni yana do ala kugbe na yawe mi egwa da me he na ni tana eni gie wada he ni tana e don we wada he ni tana yana ma kugbe na yawe mi yana atu nu pa yana akon ye popa yana ma ye gbede yana ma mu kuyuyi umana gagbania mane do ma moni eyan do fian ko dawo aga tawi Nigeria de agita do hiye o kiri madidom ebedi an igbe na ya fe aga ya tawi Nigeria de awate bo bi ogwo ato odogwo ke vake hakene agita de mi no wi tawi Nigeria edure ya kuitare oye pmen ina miewe iyan se mama eri o mano ha solo ba wa evidan mana do ni lewe bo balance koko ne pe ari no oloto ori ma ofiya enupo no gbera na o wegbegbe dian o we de mi ya ido aye ana we ni medo mulaga ido mu poku mena ogyohun sa agahowa na ke o Bishop Stephen Jaliko sa agahowa na we ni do tam wa ya fe kegwa ya se yekuriun ya so te afema ya so te ubo ya so ti soko ya so te uzo ya so te sekiri ya so te eka ya so kudo dayi na ta video tun dabo iyan ya fe di so ni na ki bo be ni ma so ni ibi do yakin ibi do kankan what the hell ni tawo ibi do kankan yagun ikamu ma wa nepi amu ma wa lupo ebe va eyegben ni ya terminata na igben be do na igben bebo so edopa makin edo za one na do yebogun edo za one ya wale bina no wage o tunda emi akenya ya zere ro paro ra wa gbona no gege di dago yi manedo iya ni so ni e ba ona esa ona esako ona onwa ona feme ona owobo ona ope ona isoko ona sekire ya se gbuzon edo yakepa owe gbera ba o ma phone ede ma hu na ri o ni ri ma hu na ahia na iya no gbera ba gbera zon ni wa ibi edo ni wa khafwa bote de ni ate south Nigeria ibi edo ni abe ibi edo akin ma ya ebe ni wa we ni ma tie baba like sanwo ebe ni wa we ni ma tie ore ba don we ya bo we do mo like sanwo ebe ni wa we ni ma wo ene emi na mi ebe ba ati ebe ba we be e me do time wa na oko emi na mi ebe be ya we be ya we be ebe na we be kere ni mo e ma gbon na ya we be awo ma we be e ma gbon na a we be o no si e na se ti we be fo akwo wo pe nu ke we be o ma ye fo e fo hun da e ma gbon fo ye wata ere wa no emi ni ma tie ma we be e ma viola dia na e ma gon kana ma ni rie do ni rewe bo ma segbe koko mana do mu o tu bo ni mane edo ya fe mane do ya fe mado kugbe ni mado kugbe o tu edo mana do mu egbo ya ri mo ma wa re o na dege sese mo se ita o ta yeke yeboko o tu oredo mana do mwegbo o tu edo ni o ya de ebi na ya de e na ki o tu edo ba ya de o tu oredo na ya do ewe ni manedo rame akugbe nda mama akugbe ebe ogi mama ema akugbe o si eni manika bana do fian koda o na wi an ri oka o bere o yan de oka yeye mama akugbe ni manedo do mama akugbe ma ya go ma ya vo ni ma sagbara unutai mana do ama akugbe ma do asiri opa mana do ga ama akugbe ogwo ni magazio eva ni magatu nu opa ha bene ebo ya be we bene ebo ya be we ge edo yagbon ni magama akugbe onowo ni magazio oneva ni mara topa mara tu nu opa ga unu opa oni ha bene ebo ya we bene ebo ya we ebo ya ebo oni ka wo nene na ya ngo wa ebo ni so ni eba ni rote ha ndota onwota ndota onwowie ndota otelawe yani yan si yo ne gbian yan to nu pa yan si ri opa yan kugbe ni ma be ube ri obe ni awe ge edo ya gbon ebo bene ebo ya we bene ebo ya we ma be ube ri o ma be won ni gbe ma fun do ni mara do mi ko dan bo ko de be ya boyi ata ye botanica ye do ran toy e ba na do mu ko ori ma na do na bo apeti e do ya Le demande que o tu edo ya ni ro unwo tagbon na do kugbe o na do si yopa na do kokozi yo na do te bon pa na do ju no pa le ke na tie le o tu edo ya ni ro unwo tagbon Edo International Congress Edo International Congress EIC Madare, we not buy oge notu, not buy oge notu from me. They won't win on red do na hill. They won't win on red do. Oh, now key on our win. No Salabia Mamma Yada with it. Madare, they on a day or monobatu boy. A day or monobatu dog boy. Or monobatu boy of the Saleva. Uzama ni didn't Yan Varubona, the Varubona. Do what they go. Uzama nene. Varubona. Wayawa is Oko Obasaki. Wayawa is Hegiro. You go now. Hegire. O sa pase ni ma o tu do to ma o is o mani ma here is imagire o na do tie yo na do gi won ya fe if no ya de bo ba ke de aita mu wa. Yes, we are those have come. Those in abroad, those in diaspora, we have come together to ask for, to call for, to establish Edo unity. Come together for Edo unity. And we have established an organization, international organization called Edo International Congress, EIC. Watch it. To bring all the Edos together. Edo International Congress. See it? That is the logo of the Edo International Congress. That is Benin City there. That is our monarchy, our king. A global unity in diversity. Why, Yonika, what's the meaning of that? A global, that is the whole world. All of those in the whole world, all people who have Edo blood in their lives, in the whole world. That means all people who have ever had their ancestry, their descent, being traceable to the Ogiso of Edo. We are talking about Edo. Edo Bini, Edo Esan, Edo Esakon, Edo Afema, Edo Awan, Edo Urobo, Edo Ishekiri, Edo Okpe, Edo Isoko, Edo Eson, and so on. There are other Edos with Edo blood who are in the southern part of Nigeria. We are calling for the unity of Edo people because we have been. We have taken our unity so lightly that it looks like we are behind people. We are behind the Northerners, we are behind the Westerners, we are behind the Southerners. It shouldn't be so. We Edo people in abroad, in diaspora, we have come together to form the Edo International Congress. Edo in America and those in UK, we have come together to form the Edo International Congress. And this Congress has Edo Supreme Council of Elders. In this Congress, we have placed an important part in our Constitution. In our Constitution, we have left there a big part for the Edo Supreme Council of Elders. See it? In other words, we count on you all, the elders, from the palace of the Oba of Benin to the palaces of the dukes, of the Enigis, to the palaces of other traditional rulers, palace of Olu of Wari, palace of Oroji of the Urobus, of Okpe, and of Isoko, and of Isakiri, and of Uzon. Their palaces, we count on them. They are members of the Supreme Council of Elders, headed by the Oba of Benin. Amen. Do you have what we say? He said, say amen. Amen. This is for all people, all people of Southern Nigeria, the Edo people, all people who have the blood of Edo in them. Wherever you may be, you have the blood, the red blood cells, the chromosomes of Edo in you. Whether your parents left in the year 10 BC or 5 BC or 30 AD or 70 AD or 100 AD or 800 AD, or 1000 AD, or the late in 1950 AD, you are Edo. You cannot remove the red blood cells that God put in you. You cannot remove it. Let's not talk about that too much. I have consciously written this book, and it is for all of us. Don't say Edo people, they don't count you as part. No, don't say so. I have consciously compiled a book. I wrote it in Benin language, and I also wrote it in English. Look at it. Edos are one. Edo Okpa Makin. Edos are one. Look at it. Look at it. Edos were one in origin. They are yet one in diversity. Recently, behold their genesis, that Edos came out of one quiver. There was a center from where they rallied. Expanded they became, because they had no boundaries. A people special, direct distance from the Creator, the kindred of a Eteri royal line. Here's Saloba. Nothing could be better than this. In this book, we have mentioned the names of all Edo-blooded people, including Shekiri, including Ijo. We are all Edos. Let nobody separate us. Look at other parts of Nigeria. They are not just all one homogeneous unit. No. There are many, they are diversified, but they come together in unity. Edos, we are diversified. We are diversified. Yes. But we are coming together in unity. A global unity in diversity. Hello? A global unity in diversity. Say it again. A global unity in diversity. Say it again. A global unity in diversity. One more time. A global unity in diversity. Whether we are Edo Benin, Edo Shekiri, we are Edos. Because the Edo blood is in all of us. So this unity has been established. Edo International Congress. Edo International Congress. And we have a common constitution. A common constitution that brings all of us together. There is place for everybody. There is place for everybody. What is the purpose of this? Oh, the purpose of this is to stand for, to speak for, to act for the Edo nation. We as a group of people, we did a group to stand for, to speak for, to act for the Edo nation. We are a nation of our own. We were a nation before the amalgamation of 1904. Before the amalgamation of 1904, under the urges of Lord Lugard, we Edos were a nation of our own. But we don't deny the fact that we were included in the amalgamation. Thank God for that. We are not asking for a disintegration of Nigeria. We are not asking for a division of Nigeria. We are only saying that we Edos need to realize that we are a people of our own. As a matter of fact, most of the civilization advances of West Africa started with the Edo people. If you have not read history, you need to read history. We have been there. And God has blessed us. God has blessed us to the extent that the whole world shall hear it and they will be happy and glorify God. Yeah. The Edo man was the first person in the whole of West Africa. It was an Edo man who obtained the university degree. I'll talk to you about all these things later. Yes, sir. It was Yoba of Benin who first sent envoys to Spain to represent Edo in Spain. Yes, sir. The first cathedral in West Africa was built in Benin City, Arosa Church. It's there, it's still there. Arosa Church. When the Portuguese came on their exploration, they looked at Benin City and they wrote home. It's recorded in history that even their own cities in their own countries, they were not as good as Benin City and the arrangements thereof. Not to talk about the Oba's palace and the arrangement of the administration of the Oba's palace. Yes. The first letter ever written, the first letter, you know letter, letter now, the first letter ever written that is in the archive in the whole of Africa, the whole of West Africa, was written by a Benin person, dictated by an Oba of Benin. Yes, sir. The first story in West Africa, story building. You know story building? Okay. It was built in Ugoton in Edo land. Yes, sir. And so on, and so on, and so on, and so forth. But we have not made so much noise about ourselves. We have not been shouting about ourselves. And other ethnic groups, they have on their own advanced. And they are at the forefront of Nigeria. We don't envy them, but we are always saying who we are. Okay? We do not envy them. We are always saying who we are. They occupy their space, but we have to occupy our space. Amen? What a philosophical principle. They have occupied their spaces, but we are those, we need to occupy our space. Yes, our space in the things of this world. Yes, our space in the learning of the ethnic groups of Nigeria. Yes, our space in the world. Yes, our space and our name in the books, in the archives. Yes, we do this with unity. We just need to be united, that's all. Like other people who have united and called their own names, we have our own name, Edo Nation. Therefore, we invite all people with Edo blood on earth. They are eligible to become members of the Edo International Congress. Edo International Congress. Look at it. Edo International Congress. Look at the logo. a global unity in diversity. Yes. And this global unity in diversity, Edo International Congress, it has Edo Supreme Council of Elders at the top of it. Edo Supreme Council of Elders. You see it? Yes. We are taking cognizance of the fact that we have elders. We have elders who are at the forefront of age. They are at the forefront of everything. We have elders. We are taking cognizance of the fact that there were people who arranged the Edo kingdom before now. There were people who know better than us. There were people who are taking care of our nation before now. We don't say we are the first. It was Isaac Newton who said, and I quote him, "If I see further than others, it is because I stand on the shoulders of my forefathers." If I see further than other people, it is because I stand on the shoulders of my forefathers. We are standing on the shoulders of our forebears, of our ancestors. So we give them a very unique place in the Edo International Congress. They are the Supreme Council of Elders, headed by the Oba of Benin. Headed by the Oba of Benin. You see him? You see his crown? And we are all going to be united, a global unity of Edo diversity. Let no one shrink back. Let nobody move back. This is not Benin. Oh. Don't introduce bad blood into this. Hello. Let us not introduce bad blood into this. We are not talking about Benin International Congress. We are talking about Edo. All Edo-blooded people all over the world. This is for Edo unity, and it's for all of us. The membership of this organization, membership, it shall be all people with Edo blood on earth. They are all eligible. All people with Edo blood. It means not only Benin. It means Isa, Eka, Western Igbo, Shakiri, Urobo, Isoko, Okpe, Izon. Yes, they are eligible. Nakata, this is not what we have been doing all these years. This is a new thing, a new phase. We need the unity, we need the support, we need the cooperation of everybody. Let's not mishandle this. Let's not handle this with the left hand. No. Everybody got to be united. You got to agree together. We got to be united together. Everybody's effort is needed here. This is not politics, oh. This is unity of a people. We are not politicians. We are those one people. We were one in origin. We are yet one in diversity. Yeah. Is that not simple enough? Yes, it is. This Edo International Congress, it has a structure. It's already put in our constitution. It has a structure. It is well organized. It is fine, super fine. Besides the Council of Elders that we showed you, apart from that one, that Council of Elders has all traditional rulers that are in there. From the chairman, the Oba of Benin, onto all other ethnic groups. The Otaru of Auchi will be there. The Oroji of Okpe will be there. The Oroji of Robo will be there. The Ejua of Ishaki will be there. You know, and the good name, good title of Uzon will be there. Of Afema, of Ika, they will be there. But besides that, we do have the normal structure that runs an organization. The normal structure that runs an organization. We have the board of directors. The board of directors. They direct what this organization is about and where it's going, where it's coming from. They are not boys. They are not young men. They are distinguished gentlemen and ladies who have made impact in life. Yes, men and women of high caliber, and they are those. Yes. Then we have an executive committee. Executive committee. You know what executive committee is about? Then you have president and secretaries and treasurer and so forth. They run the organization. Yes. Then you have EIC convention. That means the house where all of us come together, maybe once a year. Once a year. All of us come together and come and give report of what we are doing, what we have done. And then we will show everybody where we are going, where we are moving from here. That is where we are needed to attend the convention. So that nobody will tell you, you will know, you will see it. Let us not mishandle this. This is a one-time invitation sent to you and me. Although people, we need to get up. So there's an invitation. The invitation, one-time invitation. All Edo by blood. All people who have Edo blood in them. Who have Edo blood, Edo red cell, Edo white cell, Edo plasma, Edo chromosomes in them. All over the earth. Whether they are by blood or whether they are by marriage. Any man who marry an Edo woman, you are eligible to be in this group. Any woman who marry an Edo man, you are eligible to be in this organization. Or by descent. By descent, you mean your grandfather, your great grandfather was Edo. You get me? Your great grandfather was Edo. That means Edo blood was your great grandfather was Edo. Your Edo blood was in your grandfather, and your grandfather to your father or your mother, and then to you. So by descent, you are an Edo because you have the Edo blood. All of us. Or by association. Or by association. If you are a member of the Urobo Progressive Union, you are in Edo. You are eligible to become a member of EIC. If you are a member of a car national association, you are a member. You are eligible to be in this because you are already in a car, and the car is already Edo. If you are a member of Ishakiri Progressive Union, you are already a member because Ishakiri Progressive Union is Ishakiri people, and Ishakiri people are Edo. You see, simple analysis. Simple analysis. By blood, or by marriage, or by descent, or by association, come all. If you cannot come as an individual, you can come through your association. When you join the Year Y of Benin, you're already a member of this, and Year Y is a part of this. All association in Edo land, all association in Robo land, all association in Esan land, all associations in Ishakiri land, all association in Ijo land, all association in Afema land, they are part of Edo International Congress. Therefore, all members of those associations are members of Edo International Congress. See it. Let me define it again. Eligibility. Individual membership. Individual can file an application. We have an application, membership application. Individuals, you as a man or you as a woman, you can complete an application. We will send it around. We will spread the application. We will put it in our website. We have a website, edointernationalcongress.org. Let me say it again, edointernationalcongress.org. You can go there. We will put our, we have not put it there yet. We will put it, our application, membership application. You can fill one out for yourself. That's number one. Number two, you can come through your union membership. Just as I said just now, union membership. When you are a member of the Urobo Progressive Union, then you can be a member of, you are eligible to be a member of the EIC. And when the convention is holding, Urobo Progressive Union will send delegates to the Edo International Convention. ESAN Progressive Union will send delegates to the Edo International Convention. Ishakiri Progressive Organization will send delegates to the EIC Convention. Ezan Progressive Union will send delegates to the EIC Convention. Edo, I hope you hear me. Yes, sir. Afeba Progressive Union will send delegates to the Edo International Convention. This thing is so simple and so clear. Let us not say we don't understand. It is so simple and so clear. Individuals make unions, and unions make a convention. So I've analyzed the structure. The purpose I've analyzed. We need an organization that stands for, that speaks for, and acts for the Edo nation. Akpeti Edo ya, nere agbon ya, akpeti mahya o. Wadode ba otu Edo, oge ohun otagbon ya, EIC. Wadode ba otu Edo, oge ohun otagbon ya. Edo wadoge kebe otu Edo ya fe no ohun otagbon. Ona otu Edo ya fe no ohun otagbon. Wadode ba. Akpeti Edo ya o. If no tuna ya de o ewe ni manedo we ga me akugbe. Manedo we ga me akugbe. Manedo we ga zio. Ma zio kugbe. Ni manedo we atu nu opa. We ne ebu hia we. We ne ebu hia we. We ne ebu hia we. Akpeti ema ya o. Akpeti ema ya. Edo wadogo kebe otu Edo ya. Wageye ekwe mwe Edo. Be Nigeria na. Be Nigeria na. Oko. Wageye ekwe mwe Edo. Be Nigeria na. Be Nigeria na. Oko. Wageye ekwe mwe Edo. Be Nigeria na. Uno sabe Gimaye na kin. Eoge dan o. Eoge na baka. Eoge agwa Ogo salobwa. Iyo no mara kubere do ya na. Ibi do bo ya be mo wi an eye e no po ya risu eye na pu ya risu eye na pise ya risu Mane do no odion e do odion ma be mo gbagbo Iba mo gbo na ma fi akoda o edion ni wa ebo okoda o eri ma mo no ba o laga wo Manika ya fe ba si koko ni ma gbebu wa je bo wa ni ma wa je bo pe pitan yo wa je bo izakima wa je ba si o otan obu pe wa me na o mu wo tagbon ya ni ma e gbe ma do le o ma ya kana dan sa ga dan ti ai gweza ba yo di ma di o Etie wa ya fe etie ni wa ya fe etie ni wa da me o ndu wa he na tasi akidi be ndu wa he na tasi o ge so ba wo ho a o sa yawe wo ho a igare ba o ba cheki wa he na tasi na ka na wa ta lo kan kwara awa bi ko kan gege wa de au emi ya me go Evi ya mego Ma tawo mon wage be den kai. Tawo mon wage be den kai. Even no mayo no mama zare oge dan. Mani ri ye do nre egbepo. O mo tu dan bo. Usazu wa duwa na tashi. Duwa hon ma ya fe atie o. Agbebo duwa hon ma ya fe atie ki gba ki ko ebo fchan ko da ogbe na o ha jagada do bi mo sa ogi iboga di ere don kede do ebi ya gba oh ebi ya gba o Agba buwe na kemare no do wan yimi o egi ami owe agi ke mari ebo be yi amego manedo we me ebo be yi ame mano chiebe manedo we me ebo be ya me mano enwa manedo we me ebo be ya me mano tingbigawe manedo we me ebo be ya me mano sokiawo manedo we me ebo be ya me efiseke manedo we me ope na ke hunwa age yido be hunwa age imi to age mi do age mi be do mana ivie do ni rebo mamudi ayo wetaga myoge do no ma mamudi ayo wetaga myoge do no ma o sala bo ka pase yo ni ma ise wa bi se re bai wa bi se yo ora do wa ma o we Jesus Christ ise upodan la na ya shekoko we get segbele e no ge ko no ge segbele o de we ko de we get segbele e da ta ma we ke be e ke ni aye ibi do na asikoko na o ki ama ya duko ipe de harabu ge bu kino na opunu kino ge na aya be do na te April 17 be de harabu ge kino de na April 17 is Saturday no aya be do Elgin Bota be Nigeria. Elgin be London, Bogota. Elgo war be Adese America. Bena yala o be yala o every logo e bo ya be hu. I get pretend yo. I get gweza boy yo. Well, how why? Well, I said, "Oh, dear." I said, "Oh, dear." Meno go here, I got over. Mulagan, I tell you. There are no or inota. Or retarded. Inota. Maui have told him, Kevin, or no. Egba haya guave, mana, Zola. For here did I when I was in a video. Did not I think don't know. But in time, that a website. edointernationalcongress.org. Our Bankube. I will just Kuyo. edointernationalcongress.org. .org means dot. I put dot. O-R-O-G. Oh no, org. Org means organization. If we are here, my came when I gave even Metana. We are all 2018. Adomu mawa o edo wa ja yari wa ye ko medo wa ye ko mebo wa so gba no give amuso ise amake na ye be ni Nigeria o ta obu penwa mene ija okobe o ta obu penwa mene ale ba ma he na sada. Where are you? Cook, you mind me what? Ọ̀pẹ́ ní kéyìn ẹ̀dọ́. Ọ̀pẹ́ ní kéyìn ẹ̀dọ́. Ebe na n'egben otiti egwebo edo yagbon otiti egwebo ina we yin edo yuwe iwa we yin edo kakabo edo wala ho ya do le do yi ne do be ga yebe egwebo Kobebo kezinia wala ho Kowina omami wala ho Kakase kebohen wala ho Wagia kugbe dolebo yi wala ho Tebo oranya ebebo Edo oranya edo Deji mahiana kweko kugbe yazio Nigeria pagbe na ebo ya pagbe lele Wagari ore runda aiba no pa no de edo ka o ne o edo iko die ke ye ise to da ho mi wa ka gwa kenige wala ho war aboyo kedion kigele wala ho ka ka se kebohen wala ho kemami no biyo wala ho kariaba kibiabo wala ho wahara boyo kedi zeki kedi niga wala ho kiyoko kolapa wala ho edirowa kebenirisi wala ho nadole edoyo wala ho nadobe dogama wala ho no be ga yebe egwebo wala ho oga neru onya ma salobu a wo se de na unugie mata medo hiana amuse no ro bo woye so bala awowo nuku edoku gbenima maniro na no we dey then na no do said na ma ho na ko edokugbe ne ko opagaro ni opagaro alawo da okoko waro o do anu ge ma mi anu ge gba ni ma ise no pase yo ni ma ise o tun mamu bona je won hu wa ba ise eje se ati aye wa o ise eje zagata ga la egbe o ise eje de go die ke yeye ise atomu ogo umame alawo da o e ma ya mi ebo ise if mana ne do ya fe don do se ise eni Jesus Christ no bi sadoboa ise oba ewa eno redo ora to ori pewe ekete eri ga ma o ga ma o yi ope won dugie oba ilo boy fo ise oba to ope ise ma twedu ya fe ya so tuzo edo ya ga ma ise wa ya gbon yo to ìwà náà máa rí hàn ìwà náà hàn nè bàyá tàbí náà máa rí hàn ìwà náà hàn nè ẹ̀dùn náà hàn nè yàfẹ́ bàyá tàbí náà máa rí hàn máa rí ẹbí ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀bí ni ìmọ̀ náà gbẹ́ngbẹ́ màá ẹ̀bí ni nu ya ta me ma we ni ari e no ma ho na ni ari e wala nya mi bo ge te ya fe na ita si na ita ku du po ade ya de ma te na ta e na o bi ya we de ma wa ya fe no okun te na ta e na go e o pion no gbo e ma ya fe no wa bo e gbagun an boku na e na ta e na o bu ya kan oi buya kia ya wi dege we gumen gai edo ibi na ta ya fe wa gun gai ni ngo se gbedo ya dia ga ho ai mi no ma ho ru pata yo ga bu ya no share this news share it. It's got to be in place here also. Yeah, look at it. Edo YouTube, it's got to be there also. You don't even pay to look at it. Just watch it. The one I sent to you today, share it with other people. Share it. The days are going. The days are going. Don't wait for no man. Huh? Even if you have already a year, we like take it game with bay. Man, not doing my hand, have a man. Yeah, tell me. Tell me. Ipe because you are so okay while my can I eat na man do aka ba ma ho ija ami ni ama ya magbe ki go kebo ki bi yoko ko sisi kebi ya fa na ako edo you go to wahia to pre to ku ogun babado owo jewando obu yedo wa ge eregbe ma ba mi ma kai ore do mata do no de obu ra ma ke do na bu je yimo ko bode ri odu ko na ya to wo ya wa mo ye foto o baba